Hey guys, this is Fix It John. Remember I got the Ninja mulching blade and I didn't have the side discharge cover, and I'm not buying one either. They were like $40 for a hunk of plastic. And I don't recommend that you do this, but I took an old oil drain pan that I didn't use any longer and I cut it up. And this is what I got. There's the bottom. I cut the sides out of it. And I'm going to trim it down and attach it to my side discharge chute. It won't cover 100% completely, but I think it'll cover it enough. And okay, here we are at the snapper rider. I took out the two bolts that hold the deck cover down. There they are right there. Alright, what I'm doing is I'm measuring this oil drain pan so I can trim it and attach it. Cut it off right here. Right there at the end, or we can get a bolt over it. Alright, this is what we have here. This cover right here, and the top will cover the top. Okay, I think there's some fine tuning here, and I could take care of that right there. See where this little divot comes down? I'll trim that out. Right there. Okay, I got a pair of snips here. I'm gonna do some trimming here so it fits a little tighter. I don't know if you can see that. Voila. Okay, we're gonna fasten our homemade mulching cover on. I didn't want to spend the 40 bucks to get a new cover when I may not like it, so. And this may not last long because it's flimsy anyway, but it'll give me an idea if it's going to work. If I want to go out and purchase a $40 cover. I'll start the hole there. Okay. And I need to put another bigger drill bit through it so the bolt will fit through it. That's all I'm doing. And line that up. And I give them a little snug up with a pair of pliers here, wire cutters. And we'll see what she does. That's my homemade mulching cover. This is it right here, and it pretty much pulverizes it. There's a couple long pieces in there and they've dried out some, but it's pretty short stuff. I think it'd be nicer if the blade had a little more lift to it. But all in all, it did a pretty good job. I mean, I cut it last weekend, and the week before I let it go 2 weeks, but yeah, not too bad. So I saved myself 40 bucks on a mulching deck cover. And if I don't like it, I can take it off. Remember, this is Fix It John. You can do it, and I'll show you how. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching.